Have you ever tried to copy a PDF file, only to find that the new file is completely blank? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with PyPDF2 and how to fix it. I completely understand your frustration. Many users have faced this issue where their copied PDFs end up being blank, despite having the right number of pages. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user mentioned that every time they run their program, the copied PDF is filled with blank pages. They even tried adding a sleep command before closing the files, but it didn't help. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this blank PDF issue? It often comes down to how files are opened and closed in Python, especially with the PyPDF2 library. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going wrong. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this problem in the future. To address the issue of blank pages in the copied PDF, the user should first ensure that the PyPDF2 library is correctly reading the original PDF file. This can be done by checking if the PDF file is opened successfully. Next, the user should verify that the pages are being added to the PDF file writer object correctly. This involves checking the number of pages in the original PDF before copying them. After ensuring that pages are being added correctly, the user should also confirm that the encryption process is not causing the pages to become blank. This can be done by testing the PDF without encryption first. Finally, if the PDF still shows blank pages, the user should consider using a different library or method for reading and writing PDFs, as PyPDF2 may have limitations with certain PDF formats. Did you know? The first PDF was created in 1993, and it was meant to be a universal format for sharing documents. Fast forward to today, and we still face challenges with PDFs. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue of getting blank pages may be due to how files are opened and closed. The user emphasizes the importance of keeping the PDF file open while reading pages. They recommend using a nested context manager to ensure the file remains open when writing the new PDF. Here's the tip I promised. Always use context managers when dealing with file operations in Python. This simple habit can save you from a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to avoid blank PDFs in the future. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video.